guys, we'll convert this paper into the journal format. So we make paper in LaTeX. It's easy for us to manage the reference, move things around, the number gets updated automatically, the charts, the table get updated. So uh, we can do things very quickly. Otherwise, manually, it's very hard, and we extensively use ChatGPT with our code. So suppose we have something in kind of OK format, and we want to put it into the journal format. So in this case, we have a journal format with us that we are going to use. So we are using this journal. So we are going to put our paper in this format. So let me move it here. Yes, and when we do that, we will upload the journal and we will do it on the Google Drive. So we will do it here, and then we will convert the LaTeX code into doc, and the images we'll have to take a screenshot and keep copying and update the numbers. So let's upload it here. Okay, I think we have to go to that folder. So we go here, and it's this one. And we'll first convert the LaTeX code into a doc using pandas doc, and then we will do that. Let's open this paper. Okay, so this is our paper, and we'll convert everything into this one in the same format. So first we fix this one. It's only a single author per paper that we are making for our client. Okay, so now we'll convert first this thing into a doc file. To do that, we run this command. If our settings and everything is right, we can do it using pandoc. And we will also save this, in fact. So we will say that this is text to doc dot txt, and because when we upload this repo, we might need that. Okay, now this version is 20, so I'm going to make R20. The input is R20, the output is R20.docs. We are using the same bibliography b.pib, and we convert it. It's not able to find some citation, we'll handle it manually. And this is our converted paper. The first thing we check is, are all references working? Yes, all 32 references are working. So let's start copying the stuff. So we first copy the abstract. So this is the place for the abstract. We go here, we paste as unformatted. So the abstract is done. We might keep the abstract into one block. Okay, then we have the keywords. Do we have the keywords here? So it's Gen AI and financial risk. So we will use that. Let's also paste the paper here. You see, I'm trying to paste it between, so that I don't take anything before or after. So and then let's move this. Okay, this would be Gen AI financial risk GPT. LLMs. Okay, so this is the abstract. Now we will copy the introduction. We don't need this one. So we don't need this one. We don't need this one. So we are going to copy it here. We'll come here and we will do paste without formatting. So this would be our stuff. Proposal 1, proposal 2. Okay, so this is done. The next would be literature review. So literature review, and this is, if we don't have nothing, then we will use this flag, this paint thing, to copy it. And let's see if we can start the numbering. No, if nothing works out, we'll do like this, and we will like literature review, something like this, because we have to find our way out. Now the whole paper is literature review, so we have to make it logically work. Okay, so this is our first line. Now we have to do subheadings. So let's see where they do subheading. So they do A, B, C, D in subheading. Okay, so to do the first subheading, we copy this, we bring it here, and we make sure that this thing A comes, so it came. So now we do the subheading. The subheading is credit risk, paste without formatting. So we will do this. Okay, the user, the authors developed they further explode. So this is all credit risk. Okay, the next is market risk. So first we will copy this, we come here, this is our next block, and we will do market risk now. And for the authors have used for bond valuation. Okay, we'll fix that later. Now let's do it like this: model risk and model validation. So in 6, the authors have examined. So I have some bad code coming from and find the authors okay, in 6, the authors. Okay, now economics would be the next heading. So we will do economic data or something like that. So let's first copy this one and we'll change it like this, something like this. And for now I'm going to let this go. This looks like more of the chart one, so I'm going to paste just this one. And 6, the authors have, okay, and 7. Now ideally when we do the fixing with the chat GPT, it should fix all of these one. So but still, now the next is data science and it has feature selection. So for data science we copy this, no, we copy this with the whole, we copy this with the whole thing so that we can get that. No, no, why? Okay, start numbering. So this is another hack, if that was not working, is to do like this and do like this. So some ways to go around. So and now not all the um, not all the time we'll have this thing where we have to do like this, but for now I'm just doing it like this. So for now I'm just going it with this. Feature selection. Okay, this is more application. So applications. Now we have to copy the whole line. Got that. If it does not move, I'm going to move it inside. So this, it bothers us a lot. Okay, we take this one, we put here. This is regulations. This is some chart that went missing. So regulation and compliance. A lot of time moving this on the top is easier than handling this. Maybe there is a shortcut. So we are getting this. We might have to proofread it again, but for now I'm assuming that things, for now I'm assuming that things look good. The next is, after this is done, we have synthesis matrix, that would be more of the chart. The next is synthetic data, and we will see if we have some other small one. So this is the next one. We can also copy it like this. If we go one before, one after. Synthetic data, and a better heading would be synthetic data AI approaches and rare event. Can we go more deeper than that level? Let's see. I think so we can go like this. Let's see. So if we want to go further, we can go like this. This is the third level of heading. So let's see. So we are doing it like this, AI driven, and we will write in 25 comma authors have so we will copy this. Okay, comprehensive studies in data augmentation have provided. Copy this. So this is because we are coming in the level 3 heading. Application and finances and beyond. Okay. Anomaly detection. Okay. Contexting embedding for financial risk. Oh, I have to paste here and paste as unformatted. Okay. No, this would be inside this one. So it would be findings, and this would be the next stuff. So that would be something like this, the next section. So the next section would be finding intersections and future directions. Okay, now it has 1, 2, 3. This we will move on the top of the paper. So this is introduction. Okay, finding and future direction. Let's see what is inside that. The first is but we don't know where the authors are. Bridging and bridging synthetic data and LLM. This is our proposal. So that would become, so inside the H. No, I think this is, now we are in more of like a proposal category. Intersection of domains and future direction. So I have a whole section on future direction, so I'll do it like this. And I have to restart this thing. How do I restart it? Restart numbering A. Okay. So despite channel must be accurately, the future research should prioritize. Okay. Generative AI in financial analytics. This we will move somewhere, and before it's all mixed up, so we will probably move this one here, but this is not that. So generative AI in financial analytics, this is regulation, this is data science, so I'll move it here, data science and analytics. So I'm being a little creative to move it back to a place where I have to. Bias and risk management. So this I will move more on the risk management side. It's like pure risk management. Do we have a section of pure risk management? No. We have credit risk, but we don't have an area of. So I'm going to make one more heading for bias and risk management. And then we will be making the tables. Yeah, I have to make another section here on risk management. So probably here. Okay, and let's get it here, bias and risk. So that is risk management. In the risk management we have bias and risk management. So then we will copy those 1, 2, 3, 4. No, how to start this from 1. Restart numbering from 1. Okay. Now we do here bias and risk management, and then this one. This will be a part of the same. In 21 comma, authors have shown. Now let's make it like this only for now. So 21 complements this. Uh, Future direction, we have a whole section. We use this to train our stuff. Then we will start getting those stuff. Prompts we have. So connecting propose. So this is our proposed methodology. So this will be another big section. Intersection. So after here it would be proposed methodology. So this would be one, connecting the proposal to existing literature. So that would be copying this and starting this again from A. So we come here and we say we want to restart with A. Connecting proposal to existing literature. So first we will I used the backspace because you see it was going bold and it was taking the other one. So synthetic data, intersection of domains, proposed methodology. Okay. So this is one. This is relevance to credit risk. So probably we will copy this and we will use this. We have to restart the numbering at 1 and this would be our first block. So the relevance to credit risk comes here, then it would be advancing advancing markets. So let's see. I want to paste here. Whenever I see that I'm losing something, I take the easier way out. So we don't know who this is, but let's see. Agent large. We'll handle this later. So we'll handle this later. We will start from here. So the utility macroeconomic data. Okay, integration, bridging gap, and scalability. we want to paste it here. Challenges and opportunity, that would be a new subsection maybe. So challenges, yeah, so it would be space without formatting. And for now I'm going to paste it as I want to. Okay, and then we have the conclusion. So after this we will paste the table. We have the conclusion. We will use this table, and we will paste it at a few places, especially where we have a lot of text. We will paste this, and table, material, table, chart, and this is figure. So we will also paste this charts at a few places, some place where it fits well, and then we will swap it with the other charts. So we generally place the table and the charts. Other than that, we need the conclusion, and we don't need any other stuff. So we need the conclusion and we need the references. So for the other stuff we don't need anything. And then we have the references. So let's copy the conclusion. And then we will copy the references. So I don't know if it wants us to do, yeah, it wants us to do it in this way. So let's see. We might have to remove the extras, and there is no other way out. So we have to do it manually, because that's how they have structured this thing. We could go ahead and use some coding as well, but right now I'm in a hurry, so I'm not going to do it. You can skip the video and go ahead while I do this. I have around 32 and I have to make sure that the number matches, because these numbers are cited in the paper. So all the way I want 32 to match with 32. Once this is done, we will start pasting the diagrams. So this is done now. We have exact 32. So this is done. Now we will paste the diagrams and the tables. So those diagrams and tables, some of them are present here, some of them are not. So let's go. We can always open the PDF for a better understanding. We are translating this paper. So credit risk studies, economic studies, and data science studies are three that we want to put. credit risk studies. Did I I think I accidentally deleted it. So I will have to make it again. I think I accidentally deleted it. Those were the ugly looking stuff. So we will regenerate it using pandocs, and we will try to retrieve that. So we are running pandoc again. This file will get regenerated, and we will see if we can get hold of that. So the first thing we want is credit risk studies, economic studies, and data science studies. Okay, credit risk studies. No, it's not found. I thought this was credit risk studies. Author year, finding, application, impact. Author, yeah, but why does it not say that this is credit risk studies? I think we lost it when we were bringing it here. So either we can take a picture or we can copy this. But since they explicitly told us that use these tables, we are going to for now go with their methodology. So we will go with their methodology. We need three tables. One we need for credit risk, so it's going to be all the way on the top. So I'm going to move these tables on the top. Oh. So one is credit risk studies, one is market risk studies, and the third was data science studies, I think. So we'll try to bring it. So the first one is table 1. We'll have to refer it from here, credit risk studies. Credit risk studies. We don't need this one. We don't need this one. So delete row. Let's see how does it work. Okay, yes, it worked. Now author, year, finding, methodology, applications. I'm starting to feel that it's going to look bad. How about if I get these things there? Oh, let's see. Because then we'll have to go full page. They did not talk about how to go full page. So for now, I'm not even sure if I want to draw this. Maybe I'll save time. When they come the next time, we will check. So let's see if we can paste it here. No, it's going to look bad. Yeah, it's going to look bad. I guess we have no option but to bring it here. Let's try. Authors, year, key finding, methodology, application. Let's see if we can bring it here. Authors. Year. Oh. Okay. Key findings. Methodology. Application. Yes, I think it's going to look bad. So I'm going to put all the tables at the end. I mean, Otherwise I have to span it across and go on the other stuff, and they did not provide me any information on that. So but I have a lot of tables and I'll have to go full width, so let's find a way around this one. So how can I break it into two ways? We'll have to see how to do it. Otherwise I'm going to put all the tables in the end, or we have to find a way to get tables here, because in latex we were able to do it. For here it's quite tricky. Let's try to get this thing again. Yes, let's try to include it through the snipping tool. Let's see if that helps. Insert image, picture, screenshot. Column break. No. How can I span this to both? So formatting option. Wrap text. Oh, I think it was wrap text. Okay, so this one is helping. So I'm going to get rid of this, and wherever I need this, I'm going to use wrap text. So yes, this is an easy way out for now, at least. So that was one. Now let's get the other one. Snipping. Let's get this one somewhere here, maybe. So insert image, upload 1943, and we want to wrap text and make it both sides. Okay, economic studies. Let's bring the third one here. Data science studies in front, but I want to go both columns, and I'm not going to use this for now. I don't want it to get deleted. Okay. Okay, I think that's it. Not going to go beyond that to break anything. Okay. So let's see what else is there. Feature selection studies. So we might have to find some way around it, but for now I'm going it with this. So insert image, front of text. Okay. this one is done, this one is done. Generative AI application studies. So we do it after that. Maybe here. Okay. Large language model in finance and AI training. So I'm going to go the whole block with this one. Okay. I think this has to go before. Yes. This does not look good. We might have to make it again, but for now this is good. Now let's get the diagrams. So this is methods tree. So let's go ahead and fix that. Sample line, okay. Is there anything else? Literature. Tree of important work. No, this does not look very good, so we'll skip this one. We'll skip this one. This one we might need to take, and again we will have to span it over the whole width. So let's see if we can do that. No, this is not working. Let's try this one. For that we'll try something else. Okay. So this one is not working. So for now I'm going to get rid of this one. Table 4, table 5, table 6. I'm going to put it here. No, it's not working. Oh, it's too small. No, it did not work. Let's try again. No, we can insert it. So let's try to insert it. No, I think it did not go well. We'll try again. that. Okay. Synthesis of decision tree of decision tree for synthesis of literature review. Maybe I'll go full screen. No. No. Okay. This I will skip. This I will take. So for now I'm taking this, but eventually we have to find a way to move the table to full screen. So I'll handle that later. Okay. Yes, no. Okay. This is not it. Okay, this is another one. We might put we might have to take high quality images for this one again. And this one. We might have to take high quality picture of these things again, but we will do it in the next round. Okay, so now let's remove the spaces, anything that is not needed, the table numbers. Yes, we will include the high quality images later. Okay. Okay, let's see if nothing is going bad. Okay, we'll have to draw these tables now in the making it two column, so we'll find a way for that in the next video, but at least we moved the remaining stuff, and the only thing that we have to do is move the stuff or fix the tables. So right now let's export it and see, and then we'll have to fix the tables and type the tables, so we'll be doing it in the next time. Okay, table 2 looks bad, table 3, table 4, table 5, table 6, Oh, what happened to table 6, and after table 6, table 9, table 10, table 12, table 13. So we'll have to fix the table, I guess. There is no other way out. So we will do that in the next video.